Now the news, it's still unclear when parliamentarians will get a chance to examine the full ruling from the Attorney General on the tabling of reports from the Integrity Commission. House Speaker Juliet Holness today requested more time to discuss the matter with stakeholders, including the Senate President and the Leader of Government Business. Now the update came after opposition MP Julian Robinson again asked for the ruling to be tabled, for the full ruling that should be to be tabled.
We have to be very careful in believing that seeking advice means that the House is to feel that another body can stipulate how we function as a House. And so in making decisions, I will not be rash. The House did not write the Attorney General, the Speaker did.
The former Speaker can seek an opinion in her personal capacity. She sought the opinion as the presiding officer of the House on behalf of the House. Now that opinion was sought because there is a dispute between how the former Speaker treated with these reports and our view as to how it should be. Now, given that you have an opinion, whether you agree with it or not, I believe it's incumbent to share it, and then we can have a debate about it. But, Madam Speaker, the longer the opinion is held, it heightens the view that the House is withholding it for a particular reason.
Mrs. Holness says the House is yet to receive the ruling on the tabling of the reports on the public bodies from the Attorney General.